Vaccines and autism. Do vaccines contribute to childhood developmental problems, such as autism spectrum disorders? The short answer is no, but let's take a closer look in case you're not convinced or want to know more. Autism spectrum disorders, ASD, as defined by autismspeaks.org, are a complex group of disorders of brain development. These disorders are typically characterized by difficulties in varying degrees in social interaction, verbal and non-verbal communication, and repetitive behaviors. Before May 2013, autism disorders were recognized as distinct subtypes, but now they have been merged into an umbrella diagnosis. ASD can be associated with intellectual disability, difficulties in motor coordination and attention, and physical health issues such as sleep and gastrointestinal disturbances. On the flip side, persons with ASD excel in visual skills, music, math, and art. ASD affects over 3 million individuals in the US and tens of millions worldwide. It appears to have its roots in very early brain development, with the most obvious signs and symptoms tending to emerge between 2 and 3 years of age. This might be due to children developing more advanced language and motor skills around this age. Due to the age at which autism disorders can manifest, many parents consider environmental factors to be the cause. A more studied contributor to ASD is genetic risk factors. Most cases of autism appear to come from a combination of autism risk genes and environmental factors. Environmental autism risk factors often occur before and during birth, and include advanced parental age at time of conception, both mother and father, maternal illness during pregnancy, and certain difficulties during birth, most notably oxygen deprivation to the baby's brain. These factors on their own do not cause autism, but in combination with genetic risk factors appear to increase overall risk. Other potential factors that are being continuously researched include the prenatal vitamins a woman might take and the immune system of the affected child. It should be noted that official ASD websites mention nothing about childhood vaccinations causing autism. Furthermore, the U.S. Center for Disease Control website has a page specifically titled "Vaccines Do Not Cause Autism." While it can be understandingly tempting to exclusively blame environmental factors, especially given how many vaccinations children receive between birth and 2 years old, there is no legitimate evidence to support this stance. The vaccine autism link became a real controversy in 1998 when a fraudulent research paper was published in the medical journal The Lancet. The paper, written by UK medical researcher Andrew Wakefield, claimed to have evidence that colitis and ASD were linked to the combined measles, mumps, and rubella MMR vaccine. The paper has since been completely retracted in 2010 due to undisclosed conflicts of interest, manipulation of evidence, and the breaking of other ethical codes. Following the initial claims in 1998, many large studies were undertaken by some of the most prominent medical authorities today: the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the American Academy of Pediatrics, the Institute of Medicine of the U.S. National Academy of Sciences, the UK National Health Service, and the Cochrane Library. All found no link between the MMR vaccine and autism. Wakefield was found guilty by the General Medical Council of serious professional misconduct in 2010 and was struck off the medical register, meaning he can no longer practice as a doctor in the UK. The scientific consensus is that the MMR vaccine has no link to the development of autism, and that the vaccine's benefits greatly outweigh its risks. Yes, all vaccines come with risks, and I encourage you to inform yourself of these all the same. The claims in Wakefield's article were widely reported, causing vaccination rates in the UK and Ireland to drop sharply, which was followed by a significant increase in incidence of measles and mumps, leading to deaths and severe or permanent injuries. Many agreed that the lack of confidence in the vaccine had damaged public health. A 2011 journal article described the vaccine-autism connection as perhaps the most damaging medical hoax of the last 100 years. Even today, the CDC maintains that there is no link between vaccines and autism. Additionally, no current vaccine ingredients contribute to autism, despite the initial reduction of some to trace amounts in 1999 as a precautionary measure. I hope this audio podcast has helped to inform you or someone you love that vaccinating children is still of the utmost importance to public as well as individual health. For more information, please visit cdc.gov and autismspeaks.org.